stop playing with him.
J.Davinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
You guys. The news that I just got was so flabbergasting. I cannot believe it. But right now we're about to slick up our edges. So I was just like, well, I gotta slick them anyway. So let's just add it to the tutorial. I am getting kind of hot, so my face is gonna turn red. I don't know if it's just me, but when I break out, like when I get hot, I break out into the hives and I get red. It's been happening since I've been little, so I always just try to remain cool and calm and collected at all times because I just never know when I'm gonna have a hive explosion. This is not even a hair tutorial, y'all. We already have a full tutorial on how we did these braids. Very beginner friendly, very easy. You can check the card in the description. I definitely did these all by myself. So just know that you got this, you can do it too. But yeah, my channel, I just want people, girls, guys of all walks of life to know that whatever you put your mind to, whatever it is that you put your mind to doing, you can do it. I'm digging this little rugby shirt. Let's like button it so we can have a full vibe. We could debate on, I think I'm actually gonna just tie them back here for now so they're not all in my face during the makeup tutorial. Whew. Are we here? Are we ready? Do we need to come a little higher? It's just hard when you do everything by yourself, so you really don't know what things are looking like. All right, so I think we're here. I think we're together. As together as we're gonna be. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out the new, well, not the new, it's actually not new whatsoever. I'm gonna be trying out Kat Von D's Lock It Foundation. It's a 24-hour wear, full coverage, transfer resistant, matte. So I guess transfer resistant means it's not gonna come off on my clothes. It's not gonna come off on my babe's clothes. Because when I'm wearing full coverage, the last thing that I need is for it to fucking come off when I give somebody a hug. So we're gonna see if all of these claims are true. I do have a few boxes. I don't know what the difference is. Maybe this is the new one, like the newer version is a black box and this Kat Von D, this one was the old one. I don't know. So we got a few here, but sorry, I haven't done this in a minute. Oh, my eyes, everything's getting watery. I'm super excited to try this foundation. I am gonna contour with it. We're gonna see what it's about. Full coverage. So let's just start. The next video you guys see from me is going to be full face using Rihanna's new product, so stay tuned for that. In today's tutorial, I'm only gonna use a beauty blender, like a Morphe beauty blender. I know some women use, you know, when they're doing a foundation review, they'll do half their face with a beauty blender, half their face with a brush, just to show you what's going on. But I will be using this foundation again, but today we're simply using the Morphe sponge. The foundation shade that I chose to get was medium 62 warm. You know how like when you go to Sephora, they have that color match IQ. I did that a few years ago, and yeah, the colors that they chose for me, they weren't my colors. So it's just like, where is my shade? My problem normally isn't finding my shade, but I had a hard time finding my shade. Ultimately, I just always strive to find my perfect shade. Like, who doesn't? I know people said a lot of this foundation goes a long way, but I'm here for full coverage. Bring it down our neck, but let's see. Oh yeah, this is my shade. And if you guys wanna know my references, in MAC, I'm typically an NC44. It might have actually worked out better with a brush because my sponge feels a bit dry. The foundation for sure matches my skin complexion because I'm always going for darker tones. I normally want to look more tan, but for the most part, the foundation is my shade. If I'm putting on makeup, why not go for the whole shebang? Like, we wanna be perfect. So foundation, makeup, it allows you to look the way you want, and that's kind of cool without it, you know, being surgery. You know, some people are really out here changing their whole body, and you could simply work out, but those are my opinions, and you know, we have to live on this earth to please ourselves and to be happy. So if you're pleasing yourself and, you know, ultimately doing everything that you want to do, who am I to tell you not to live your best life? So I don't have any work done, in case you wanted to know. Teeth, completely mine. everything completely mine. I do want to get a bigger butt naturally, so I will hit my squats. Like, I gotta do my part, you know? Like, so this is cool. I'm happy I got the right shade. I'll let you know the other shade that they were trying to tell me I was. It was like 54 or something. I was just like, oh no. When I like watch people's tutorials, they don't ever say what I want them to say. Not even what I want them to say, but they don't ever answer my questions. Then I'll go into the comment sections and notice that they don't even answer their supporters' comments. So it's just like, bitch, should I fucking buy the foundation or should I not? Like, you didn't even tell me if you like the foundation or not. Like, you didn't tell me anything. And that's why I started my channel, because I was so over people not giving me the real on everything. It is matte, but y'all, it's bomb. Like, I can see this being an everyday foundation. Like, if you use a brush and you use minimal product, of course, it would distribute around your face a lot more naturally. But I told you guys, I'm here for full coverage. And mind you, it doesn't look like full coverage at all. Like, I don't see the foundation sitting on my skin, none. I did use Rihanna's primer. That was my first time ever using Rihanna's primer. But y'all, the foundation is nice. Like, my skin looks amazing. Before, I had a bit of redness because I was breaking out. I was gonna start breaking out into the hives. I normally don't ever really have my perfect foundation shades unless I have like MAC NC44. But you guys, this foundation is really awesome. And the good part about it is it doesn't feel heavy on my skin. Like, literally, I can't feel it on my skin. I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'm also gonna contour with a darker shade. I'm gonna use Warm 76 to do my contouring, so you guys can check out how that looks. But so far, so good. We're gonna just quickly do our brows. Yeah, I'm gonna come back and show you guys my highlight and contour routine. I will be contouring today with the Kat Von D Lock It foundation. But yeah, let me know if you guys like this setup. It does come with these little stoppers, so I will put that back in there so my foundation doesn't dry out or anything. So that's like dope. Yeah, so for today's concealer, we're gonna simply use our Tarte. It's actually really dirty. Like, what in the hell? This was from when my husband did my makeup and just ruined my stuff. Jesus. I'm gonna just go in with a tad. We're gonna put some under our eye. So we got it under our eye. We're gonna put a bit on our Cupid's bow, chin. And the only reason why I'm gonna show you my highlight and contour routine is because I will be contouring with darker color of the Kat Von D foundation, you know, contour with. So I thought you guys would just get the best of both worlds and show y'all some stuff I would actually want to see. But if there is anything that you want me to try out in the comment sections, and if I can afford it, and it's not too much, I don't mind buying it. But yeah, just let me know. So for our contour shade, we're gonna be using Kat Von D Medium Warm in the color 76 this time. It's a really, really nice contour shade. It's not too dark. I'm gonna put it and you're gonna see, but it's not too dark. Like, it's a nice chestnutty color. Super cute. We're gonna just dab it like there. That's a lot. I just put on a fucking ton. When I blend it out, you guys are gonna see that the color is not harsh at all. Yeah, let's just blend this up and out. You guys can see when you contour with the foundation, blending is easier. So if you have a problem blending out your contour, yet you love the look of contour, try to use a foundation. You guys just might see this in my makeup routine a bit more often, okay? Do you guys see how I just change all the time? I'd be getting excited, then I might be sad. Those are called my personalities, and I have plenty. Do you guys see the way that looks? It looks so nice, so natural. It's full fucking coverage. I'm sorry for cursing, but I just need you to know it's full on coverage. Look at how I look. So funny. But if you've made it this far into the video, then you're lucky. You're gonna be eligible for my giveaway. The only thing that you have to do for this giveaway is gonna solely be for YouTube. You just have to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment letting me know, or your favorite video of mine. Like, what's your favorite video of mine? What kind of videos do you love of me making? That's it. I do want you guys to know that the foundation shade is for my darker, deep complexion women. Unless, you know, you're a makeup artist and you want a range of colors in your kit, then that's cool. But this shade that I'm gonna be giving away is Deep 66. So if this is your shade and you want it, Be sure to comment what I told you to comment in the description. I don't quite remember, but somebody should know. But yeah, that's gonna be all that you have to do. I'm gonna finish my face. I'll be back to let you guys know my final thoughts on this foundation, and then I'm gonna also come back with a foundation update to let you guys know if it oxidized, if it creased, whatever, just my final thoughts. And yeah, so I'll be back. I might finish my makeup here on camera. We're gonna see, but if not, then I'll be back, okay? So yeah, this is the final look. You guys, I'm actually, when them girls be like, I'm shook, I'm shook. This Kat Von D foundation, honestly, is really good. Like, hands down, might be my favorite foundation right now. You guys are gonna see this foundation come up in a lot of my tutorials, only because it's spot on my shade. I don't know how many foundation shade ranges Kat Von D has, but I am going to be hosting a giveaway of the darkest shade that I have, which is a deep 66, and I know for a fact that you gotta be subscribed to my channel. Really, I'm shook. I'm shook. I'm shook. The foundation has not oxidized yet. Yeah, I will be back with an update on this foundation, the wear, how it wears, if it wore, if it came off, all that good stuff. All that good stuff, I will be back. I'm gonna hopefully not forget. Let me know what your favorite full coverage foundation is. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Anyway, I was gonna tell. All right, guys. So I'm coming to you guys with an update on this Kat Von D. I've actually been wearing this all week. I literally just got back from the beach. Let me turn on right. But I just got back from the beach, and you guys, let me tell you something, because I have not bought any new setting powder. I've just been setting my face with the Universal Rihanna's, you know, blotting powder or whatever, and makeup is still on fleek. Like, I'm really digging it. And then I did the contour like you guys saw I did earlier in the tutorial, but I just wanted to come to you guys with an update because this is a whole new day. I'm still loving the Kat Von D. I mean, maybe because it's my shade, I don't know, but yeah, just up close, my makeup looks really good. And I've been at the beach all day, literally working, okay? So I just wanted to come back with an update. Gab's cooking tacos. How's it going?
All right.
Okay. Ooh. Looks delicious. And then we got some chopped up. Then we gotta put the cilantro. Okay, yeah. Gotta go. Bye.